Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in Craw Park. If you're just meeting for the first time, my name is Jonathan, and this series is all about day trading. I know it's been a while since we last seen each other, so thank you guys so much for hanging in there. So over the past few weeks, I've actually been retweaking my trading strategy. And so I'll get into more of that in the next year. But I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. This has been a great experience. It's been a wonderful chance to just grow a small community. And so I thank you guys so much, and I look forward to a great 2019. So one of the things that I'm trying to do in my new trading strategy is actually to be more efficient, right? So to do more with less. And so as you will see in this recap, I only traded 1,000 shares today, which is half my normal size. Today was really an exercise to see if I could have similar results with half of the shares used to trade with. And I must say the results went well. So only using 1,000 shares, like I said before, half the size that I normally take, I was able to make $228 in the market today in about 30 minutes. So once again, thank you all so much. I look forward to an awesome 2019. The recap's coming up next, so stick around and I'll see you guys in the next year. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. You see it, GT baby all day. All right, we have come to the last trading day of 2018. As you know, tomorrow is New Year's Day, and so the market actually closes early today at 1 o'clock p.m. And so I'm going to do a really quick recap of my trades today. As you can see, I only took 4 trades today, 1 losing trade, 3 winners, accuracy 75%, not bad. And I'm really proud of today because I was able to cut my loser quickly. So let's get into the trade. So first trade was at 9:31. As you can see, $18 entry, 1,000 shares, short sold, meaning I want stock to go down. So at 9:31, as you can see, there was weakness in the stock. I was up maybe around $50, $100, something like that. And I held the stock thinking it would continue to push lower. As you can see, it did not push lower, and so I got out for a small loss around $50. As stated before, I'm very proud of this first trade because yes, I was up, but when the stock went against me, I went ahead and got out. I respected my stop loss and was done. First trade, lost $50, not a big deal. Second trade, got in at 9:34. As you can see, the stock continued to push up. And so really my next 2 trades were really me scalping the move, right? So I got in at 9:34 at 18.12. Rolled it for a 12-cent gain, got out at 9:35, right? Next trade, as you can see here, 9:36, got in at 18.25, got out at 18.37, right? So as stock is pushing up, I'm just getting in, getting out, taking profit. And I know I definitely could have held it. However, one thing about trading is you can never go broke taking profits early. My last trade came in at 9:49, as you can see here. Got in at 18.19, a short sold, covered around 18.15, so another small gain there. And so, as you can see, ending the day up $228. I must admit, there was one entry that I did miss. I hesitated, the stock pushed up, the move happened without me. However, I wanted to be more cautious today because I knew today was a half day. I wanted to keep it smooth, keep it clean, and keep it simple. And so, 228, especially on half size, that's a great day. Before I go, I want to answer a question that I have received quite frequently over the past few days. What is going on in the stock market? So I'm going to show you very quickly. The S&P 500, or the Standard & Poor 500, is essentially a collection of stocks that represent the 500 largest companies in the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. As you can imagine, trading the S&P 500 is very expensive. As we see here, the current price per share is $2,501.50. Now, I don't know about you, but that's very expensive for 1 share of stock. Because financial companies understand it's very expensive to trade the S&P 500 at $2,500 per share, they created an index fund. An index fund is essentially hand-picked stocks that represent the S&P 500 without having to include all 500 companies. That stock symbol is SPY, or the SPY. As you see here, it is designed to track the S&P 500. And the price is much better at $249.30. Much easier to trade. For traders and investors alike, the SPY acts as a leading indicator for the health of the overall stock market. I want to show you a quick visual of what the market has done in 2018. So here we have the SPY over the past year, starting here on the left in March, moving over into November and December. During the summer months, there was an increase and the stock was running a bull market, but after around September 20th, the market has been falling into a bear market. As you can see, there's a substantial decline from a high of 293, losing essentially 60 points to 233.76. There was a small bounce here, but I don't know. I think it's going to get a little bit worse before it gets better. So I hope that visual helps you understand what has happened in the stock market for the past year. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. I'll see you guys next year. Thank you guys so much for watching.